Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Confirm voicemail is provided by your carrier and not an app. Have your account info ready because many carriers require authentication. On the iPhone, open the phone app and tap voicemail. If you don't see visual voicemail, go to Settings Phone instead. Once there, locate Call Forwarding and Voicemail settings. These are the controls you'll change. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off while you test, so calls route normally during the steps. Now disable the route that sends calls to voicemail. If Settings Phone Call Forwarding is active, turn it off or remove the forwarding number that points to voicemail. If your carrier manages voicemail, open the carrier app or website and find voicemail or call settings to toggle the service off. For visual voicemail, remove greetings and saved messages to prevent new recordings. Once done, place a test call from another line to confirm calls no longer hit voicemail. Finish by rebooting the iPhone to clear network caches, then test with a call from a different phone. If voicemail still answers, call your carrier. They may need to deprovision voicemail from your line on their end. Make sure to cite the time and any error messages. As a temporary workaround, enable Do Not Disturb and allow calls from contacts only, or set a silent custom greeting so callers won't reach a recorded box. If problems persist, ask the carrier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.